Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with the world's top 5 best LED headlights? Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate picks that will transform your driving experience. Whether you're looking for enhanced visibility, durability, or a sleek new look, these headlights are perfect for you. From cutting-edge technology to reliable performance, each option has been carefully selected to meet your needs. Don't settle for less when it comes to your vehicle's lighting. Let's explore the best options together. Stay tuned till the end for a special surprise. So check the link in the description below and let's get started on upgrading your Toyota Tacoma today. Number 1. CANI LED DRL Halo Ring Chrome Housing Projector Headlights for the Toyota Tacoma, setting a new standard in aftermarket automotive lighting. Crafted with precision and style, these headlights are designed specifically for the 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma models, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. Each set includes both driver and passenger side assemblies, featuring high-quality lenses and durable housing that meet DOT and SAE standards for safety and legality on roads in the USA and Canada. These headlights not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your Tacoma with their sleek chrome housing and LED daytime running lights, DRL, halo rings, but also provide superior illumination for enhanced visibility and safety. The integrated projectors deliver a focused beam pattern that maximizes light output without blinding oncoming traffic, ensuring optimal performance in various driving conditions. While installation may require wiring for the LED and halo functions, the straightforward replacement of stock assemblies means you can achieve a professional-grade upgrade with minimal effort. Backed by a 30-day return policy and a generous 60-day warranty, CANI guarantees satisfaction and peace of mind, making these headlights a reliable choice for Tacoma owners looking to upgrade to the best LED headlights available. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off-road, trust CANI to illuminate your path with clarity, style, and uncompromising quality. For those seeking a blend of functionality and aesthetics, these headlights prove to be a standout choice in the realm of automotive lighting upgrades. Number 2. PCDB MLUT Fit for Toyota Tacoma, 2016 to 2021, Headlight Bulbs, the ultimate upgrade for your Toyota Tacoma's lighting system. This set includes H9/H11 High Beam, H11 Low Beam, and H11 Fog Light Halogen Replacement Bulbs, meticulously designed to match the 2016 to 2021 Tacoma models. Engineered for durability and performance, these bulbs boast an impressive lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours thanks to their advanced cooling system with a high-speed silent turbofan and intelligent temperature control chip. Crafted from robust 7075 aluminum alloy, they withstand long-term use without deformation or corrosion, ensuring reliability in any driving condition. Equipped with a double-sided beads design featuring CSP 3570 beads, these bulbs emit a crisp 6000K white light, providing superior brightness that's 5 times stronger than conventional halogen bulbs. Say goodbye to dim and blurry visibility. These bulbs offer clear, focused light output without dark spots or glare, enhancing safety for both you and other drivers on the road. Their pure copper plate design enables rapid warm-up times, ensuring instant illumination upon activation, thereby optimizing your driving efficiency. Installation is a breeze with their plug-and-play compatibility, suitable for 98% of vehicles. While some sensitive models may require a CAN bus decoder for seamless integration, the process remains straightforward and efficient. Simply hold the bulb body during installation to prevent connector damage. For the best LED headlights for Toyota Tacoma, look no further than the PCDB MLUT headlight bulbs, engineered for reliability, performance, and superior visibility on every journey. Number 3. VAMAS LED Halo Ring Black Projector Headlight Headlamp Assembly for the 2005 to 2011 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. Crafted to enhance both style and functionality, these headlights are a standout choice for Tacoma enthusiasts looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system. Each set includes a complete pair for both the driver and passenger sides, ensuring a hassle-free installation with no need to purchase additional components separately. The headlights feature striking crystal sapphire halo LED rings, which not only add a modern aesthetic but also provide enhanced visibility and a unique look on the road. These headlights are designed with compliance in mind, being SAE and DOT approved for 100% street legality in the USA and Canada. This ensures they meet all regulatory standards, providing peace of mind while driving day or night. While installation does require wiring for the halo rings, the straightforward setup process is well within reach for most DIY enthusiasts or can be handled professionally for those less inclined towards automotive electrical work. VAMAS stands behind their product with a 30-day love it or return it guarantee, underscoring their commitment to customer satisfaction. This assurance allows buyers to purchase confidently, knowing they can return the headlights if they don't meet expectations. Overall, the VAMAS LED Halo Ring Black Projector headlights for the Toyota Tacoma combine sleek design, reliable performance, and regulatory compliance, making them an excellent choice for anyone seeking the best LED headlights for their Tacoma pickup. Whether you're upgrading for safety, style, or both, these headlights deliver on all fronts, ensuring you stand out on the road while driving with enhanced clarity and visibility. Number 4. Aken Dual LED DRL Projector Headlight Lamps for 12 to 15 Toyota Tacoma TRD pickup trucks. These headlights arrive brand new in custom packaging, ensuring a pristine condition upon delivery. Engineered to fit all 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma models, they boast a modern projector design that offers superior light distribution compared to traditional crystal headlights. The integrated DRL, daytime running lights, LED tubes utilize high-quality SMD LED chips for ultra-bright illumination, enhancing both visibility and the truck's aesthetic appeal. While installation may require wiring modifications for the halo and LED connections, it's recommended to consult with a professional mechanic for seamless integration. Please note that no installation guide is included, emphasizing the importance of professional assistance to ensure optimal functionality and performance. Additionally, Aken provides a 90-day limited warranty from the delivery date, underscoring their commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability. Ideal for Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts seeking the best LED headlights, the Aken Dual LED DRL projector headlight lamps combine innovative design with practical functionality. They not only enhance nighttime visibility and safety but also elevate the truck's overall appearance with their sleek black bezel finish. Whether you're navigating urban streets or off-road terrain, these headlights are a stylish and practical upgrade that ensures you stand out while driving your Tacoma. Number 5. WVKAVI Fit for Toyota Tacoma LED Headlights and Fog Lights, the ultimate upgrade for your vehicle from 2016 to 2022. This comprehensive pack includes high-performance H9 high beam, H11 low beam, and H11/H8 fog light bulbs, all designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. In just 5 minutes, without any tools, you can replace your factory bulbs with these plug-and-play LEDs, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade. Built-in drivers and CAN bus readiness prevent errors or flickering, making them ideal for enhancing visibility without complications. These LED bulbs boast a remarkable 6500 K cool white color temperature, significantly clearer than halogen lights, offering a perfect beam pattern that mimics original halogen bulbs. This clarity not only enhances visibility at night but also improves your driving confidence on dark roads or in areas with limited street lighting. With IP68 waterproof rating and durable aviation aluminum construction, these bulbs withstand extreme temperatures, minus 40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliability in all weather conditions. The WVKAVI LEDs are not just about brightness, they also excel in longevity, lasting up to 30 times longer than halogen bulbs, which translates to over 5,000 hours of use. Equipped with COB chips and a turbo-cool fan operating at 15,000 RPM, they provide superior cooling performance while remaining whisper quiet. This combination delivers unparalleled brightness, eliminating dark spots and ensuring a safer driving experience. If you're looking for the best LED headlights for your Toyota Tacoma, these bulbs offer exceptional quality, easy installation, and reliable performance that will transform your nighttime driving experience. In conclusion, choosing the best LED headlights for your Toyota Tacoma can significantly enhance both style and performance. Whether you prioritize brightness, durability, or ease of installation, the options we've discussed cater to various needs and budgets. Remember to consider factors like beam pattern, color temperature, and customer reviews when making your decision. Upgrading to LED headlights not only improves visibility on the road but also adds a modern touch to your Tacoma's appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Share this video with fellow Tacoma enthusiasts for more updates and helpful content.